Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this Tesla style security special for Nissan Maxima 2016 to 2019 years. Okay, this unit will come with special canvas box and harness. This is Maxima canvas decoder box. Okay, and it's plug and play. This for radio antenna. This radio antenna, and this power and speaker. This speaker and original backup camera and AUX input. This original camera and this plug you can check, and it will come with two original USB cam. This support original 2 USB cable, you can check. Okay. And this navigation, this radio, you can get the radio stations. I do not connect the backup camera. And you can connect radio antenna to get the radio. It's music, Bluetooth, movie, and this link supports easy connection for Mirrorlink. Mirrorlink supports Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi, AUX, and all apps are here. You can check built-in Google Play Store and Google Maps. Settings. It supports navigation. You can set the navigation and app custom GPS, date and time, language, amplifier, this brightness, user setting. You can check touch key turn on or turn off. Other all information you can choose this, and brake detect you can turn on or turn off. Okay, and the sports stereo controls system, you can check Android 9 Pie system. It's RAM 4 GB, ROM 32 GB. And radio, you can set the radio stations, radio North America, touch key, boot logo, and more settings you can check. It connect Wi-Fi, and support 4G system. About tablet PX5, PX6 6 core Android 9 system. Okay, this AC information you can control it. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth at first. It's Bluetooth, and this pin code. You can open the Bluetooth from your phone. Open the Bluetooth from your phone and search the Bluetooth device. Okay, searched, you can choose it and connect. You will get the command, please click below. it supports sleep screen, this sleep screen, and its power. Okay, and you can make a phone call. Connected. Already connected. Okay, it's work, and you can streaming music from your phone. From music. Okay, it works with next and up and volume, and this power button, the mute button, and split screen. You can let me test. Let me play the music, test the music from USB cable. Their USB cable. USB. This update cancel. Sorry. Cancel update. Built in Google Maps. It's Bluetooth and this amplifier. This bass, you can control it. Subwoofer. the video. It supports 4K video play from USB, PIP screen. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Now test the music. When you split, the sound will be stopped. Okay, thank you.